If you own a Ram with the 5.7 Hemi and MDS, there is a repair bill waiting somewhere in the future if you ignore the small things. A failed lifter can wipe out the camshaft, send metal through the oil, and turn into a repair that costs thousands before you even understand what happened. And here is the part that makes owners angry. A lot of these failures are not caused by one huge mistake. They are caused by small habits that slowly create the perfect conditions for the MDS lifters to fail early. You cannot redesign the Hemi oiling system from your driveway. You cannot turn a weak lifter into a perfect one with a bottle from the parts store. But you can stop feeding the exact conditions that make those lifters stick, collapse, and start chewing into the cam. Today I am giving you 6 cheap 5.7 Hemi fixes, all under $30, that can help prevent most early MDS lifter failures by protecting the oil system those lifters depend on. If you own a Ram and want more straight maintenance advice like this, hit the like button and subscribe while you are here. I cover Hemi problems, Ram maintenance, dealer shortcuts, and the small fixes that can save owners thousands. Let's get into it. Before the fixes make sense, you need to understand why these lifters fail. MDS stands for multi-displacement system. On the 5.7 Hemi, it shuts down 4 cylinders under light load to save fuel. To do that, the engine uses special lifters that can collapse and reactivate using oil pressure. When everything is clean, full, and working correctly, the system can operate normally. But when the oil gets dirty, low, aerated, or slow to flow, those lifters become a weak point. That is why oil matters so much on these engines. The lifter, the roller, the cam lobe, the VVT system, and the MDS system all depend on clean oil being in the right place at the right pressure. If you run the oil too long, let the level drop, use a weak filter, idle for hours, or beat on the engine cold, you are making the weak point work under worse conditions. So every fix on this list has one goal: protect the oil supply to the lifters. Fix number 1, check your oil level every week. I know that sounds basic, but on a 5.7 Hemi, basic is what saves engines. The MDS lifters need steady oil pressure. If the oil level gets low, pressure and oil control can become inconsistent, especially during hard turns, hills, towing, or heavy acceleration. A lot of owners do not check the dipstick anymore. They wait for the dash to tell them something is wrong. That is too late. By the time the oil pressure light comes on, the engine is already in trouble. Check the oil once a week on level ground. Pull the dipstick, wipe it, insert it again, then read it properly. Keep the level near the full mark, not barely above low. If your Hemi is using oil, you need to know that early, not after it has been running low for a month. This costs nothing but 90 seconds, and it puts you ahead of most owners who only think about oil when the service reminder pops up. Fix number 2, keep the correct oil in the truck. This is the partner to checking your oil level. If you know the engine is low, but you do not have the correct oil with you, you will probably say the same thing every owner says: I will top it off later. Then later becomes next week. Keep 1 quart of the correct oil behind the seat, in the storage bin, or in the garage where you can grab it fast. For many 5.7 Hemi trucks, the factory oil is 5W20, but always check your oil cap and owner's manual for your exact year. Use oil that meets the correct Chrysler or Stellantis specification for your engine. Do not top off with random oil just because it is cheap or sitting on the shelf. The whole point is to keep the MDS and VVT system supplied with the correct oil. A single quart usually costs less than $15. That little bottle can be the difference between staying full and driving around low until the lifters start paying the price. Fix number 3, stop stretching oil change intervals. This is where a lot of Hemi owners hurt their engines without realizing it. The oil life monitor can make it feel like you are safe going longer, but the 5.7 Hemi is not an engine I would push to long intervals if you want it to last. MDS lifters, cam lobes, and oil control passages do not like dirty oil. As oil ages, it loses additives, gets contaminated, and can thicken or thin depending on use. Short trips, long idle time, towing, heat, and stop-and-go driving all make it worse. For a Hemi you plan to keep, I like 5,000-mile oil changes. If the truck tows, idles a lot, takes short trips, or works hard, I would stay even more careful. This is not about wasting money. It is about avoiding a lifter and cam repair that can cost more than years of extra oil changes. Clean oil is cheaper than a wiped cam. If this kind of Hemi advice is helping you, hit subscribe now. I make these videos so Ram owners can fix small problems before they become big repair bills. Fix number 4, use a good oil filter. The oil filter is not where you save $5. On a 5.7 Hemi, the filter is protecting some of the most sensitive parts of the engine. Cheap filters can have weaker media, weaker bypass valves, and poor anti-drainback performance. That matters because dirty oil and delayed oil pressure are both bad news for the top end of the engine. A good filter helps keep debris out of the oil system and helps oil pressure build properly after startup. Use a quality filter from a trusted brand. Mopar, Wix, Purolator, Fram Ultra, Mobil 1, or another high-quality filter that matches your exact truck. The price difference between a cheap filter and a good one is usually under $10. That is not where you try to save money. A better filter is cheap insurance for the lifters, cam, bearings, and oil control system. Fix number 5, stop letting the Hemi idle forever. This one is free, and it matters more than people think. The 5.7 Hemi has a reputation for lifter and cam wear, and long idle time does not help. At idle, oil splash is lower, engine speed is low, and the lifter rollers are not getting the same oil movement they get while driving. A lot of Ram owners let their trucks idle for long periods. Work sites, drive-thrus, warming up in the driveway, waiting outside stores, sitting with the AC on, or letting the truck run while talking to someone. It feels harmless because the engine is not working hard. But low-speed idle is not the best condition for lifter roller lubrication. You do not need to panic every time the truck idles, but do not let it sit running for 20 or 30 minutes for no reason. If you are parked and waiting, shut it off when it makes sense. If you need to warm it up, give it a short warm-up, then drive gently. Idle time still counts as engine wear, even if the odometer barely moves. Fix number 6, build a proper cold start habit. Cold oil is thick oil. Thick oil does not move through small passages as easily as warm oil. When you start a cold 5.7 Hemi and immediately put it under load, you are asking the lifters, cam, and VVT system to work before the oil is flowing at its best. You do not need to idle for 10 minutes. That wastes fuel and adds idle time. Just give the engine 30 to 60 seconds after a cold start. Then drive gently for the first few minutes. Avoid hard throttle, heavy towing load, and high RPM until the temperature starts coming up. This habit costs nothing. It only takes patience. And it protects the engine during one of the most vulnerable parts of every drive. Now let me be clear. None of these 6 fixes can repair a lifter that is already failing. If your Hemi has a loud tick, misfire codes, metal in the oil, or a cam lobe already going flat, you are past the cheap fix stage. At that point, the engine needs proper diagnosis. These fixes are prevention. They attack the conditions that make weak lifters fail earlier than they should. Low oil, dirty oil, poor filtration, long idle time, cold hard driving, slow oil pressure. Those are the things you can control. There is also a bigger option some owners talk about, which is a full MDS delete. That means replacing the MDS lifters, changing the cam setup, blocking off the system properly, and tuning the truck. That can be a real solution when done correctly. But it is not under $30, and it is not what this video is about. This video is about what every Hemi owner can do right now without tearing the engine apart. So here are the 6 cheap fixes again. Check your oil every week. Keep the correct oil in the truck. Change oil around every 5,000 miles. Use a quality oil filter. Stop unnecessary long idling. And build a smart cold start habit. Every one of those fixes is cheap. Most of them cost nothing. But together they give your 5.7 Hemi a much better chance of surviving the MDS lifter problem. The Hemi is not a bad engine. It is just an engine that needs clean oil, correct level, and smart habits. Treat it like that, and it can run a long time. Ignore it, stretch the oil, idle it forever, and beat on it cold. And eventually the lifters may make the decision for you. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe before you leave. I cover Ram Hemi problems, cheap fixes, maintenance tips, dealer shortcuts, and the repairs that can save owners thousands. Drop a comment with your Ram's year, mileage, and whether your Hemi has MDS. I want to know how many owners are trying to keep these engines alive the right way. I will see you in the next one.